Hello students, welcome back to the fifth session on the chapter sequence and series. In the previous session, we studied nth term and some of first n terms of the geometric progression and some problems based on it. In this session, we study some more problems on geometric progression. Problem: find the sum to n terms of the sequence 888, 888, 8888 dot. Here we want sum of n terms of the sequence Sn equal to 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus 8888 up to n terms. Here I take 8 outside, then it becomes 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111 plus up to n terms. In all the terms I take 8 outside. I write it as 8 by 9 into 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus 9999 up to n terms. I write this one as 8 by 9 into 9, I write as 10 minus 1, 99 I write as 100 minus 1, 999 I write it as 1000 minus 1, like that up to n terms. That is equal to 8 by 9, 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus like that up to n terms, minus here 1 minus 1 minus 1, I take minus outside, 1 plus 1 plus up to n terms. Here n terms are there, n times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times. Here 10 plus 100 plus 1000, this is in GP. This is geometric progression with the first term a equal to 10 and common ratio is also 10. That is equal to 8 by 9 using formula sum of first n terms of the geometric progression a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 for r greater than 1. Here r equal to 10, therefore a into 10 into r power n, 10 power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times, that is equal to n. That is equal to, I simplify, 80 divided by 81 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 8n by 9. Here 8 into 10 80, 9 minus 1 9, 9 into 9 81 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 8 by 9 into n, that is 8n by 9. That is the sum of first n terms of the GP. Next problem: find the sum of the sequence 77, 777 up to n terms. It is similar to the previous one. Here we want sum of n terms. So Sn equal to 7 plus 77 plus 777 up to n terms. Up to n terms. Here I take 7 outside. 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 1 up to n terms. Up to n terms. Up to n terms. I write it as 7 by 9 into 9 plus 99 plus 999 up to n terms. Up to n terms. It is has same that of previous one, that is equal to 7 by 9 into 10 minus 1, it is 100 minus 1, this one 1000 minus 1 up to n terms. Up to n terms. That is equal to 7 by 9 into 10 plus 100 plus 1000 up to n terms, up to n terms, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 up to n terms, that is minus, take outside 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times, that is n. This is 10 plus 100 plus 1000, this is GP with the first term 10, common ratio is also 10. So that is equal to 7 by 9 into, use formula 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. Sum of first n terms of the arithmetic progression for r greater than 1, a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 minus n. Simplify, that is equal to 70 by 81 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 7n by 9. That is the sum of first n terms of the given sequence. Next problem. Find the sum of n terms of the sequence 0.6 plus 0.66 plus 0.666 up to n terms. It is similar but little bit change ಇದೆ. Here we want sum of first n terms Sn equal to 0.6 plus 0.66 plus 0.666 up to n terms. Up to n terms. That is equal to, I take 6 outside, 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 up to n terms. Up to n terms. That is equal to 6 by 9 into 0.9 plus 0.99 plus 0.999 up to n terms. Up to n terms. That is equal to 6 by 9 into 0.9 can be written as 1 minus 0.1 plus 0.99 as written as 1 minus 0.01 plus 0.999 can be written as 1 minus 0.001 plus up to n terms. Up to n terms. that is equal to 6 by 9 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. Therefore, 1 plus 1 plus up to n terms, 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times, n times minus 0.1 minus 0.1 minus 0.01. I take minus outside, plus 0.01 plus 0.001 up to n terms, up to n terms. This series in GP, this is in GP, this is geometric progression with the first term 0.1, common ratio 0.01 by 0.1 equal to 0.001 by 0.01, that is 0.1, that is equal to 6 by 9 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times, that is n, minus here sum of first n terms of GP for r less than 1, formula a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. I use that formula a here 0.1 into 1 minus 0.1 power n divided by 1 minus 0.1. After simplification, we get 6n by 9 minus 1 minus 0.1, 0.9, 0.1 by 0.9, that is 1 by 9. Therefore, 6 by 81 into 1 minus 0.1 power n. That is the sum of first n terms of the given sequence. Next problem. If the pth, qth and rth terms of a geometric progression are a, b, c respectively, prove that a power q minus r into b power r minus p into c power p minus q equal to 1. Here pth, qth and rth terms of the geometric progressions are given. I take first term of the geometric progression has capital A and the common ratio has capital R. Let A be the first term and capital R be the common ratio of given geometric progression. Given pth term, what is the nth term of the geometric progression? A into r power n minus 1, where a is the first term, r is the common ratio. Therefore, here capital A into capital R power p minus 1, that is given, that is equal to A. Qth term, that is equal to A into R power q minus 1, that is given for us B. Rth term equal to A into R power R minus 1, that is equal to C. Correct? We have to prove that A power q minus R into B power R minus P into C power P minus Q equal to 1. I take left hand side, LHS equal to A power q minus R b power r minus p, c power p minus q, that is equal to, substitute, instead of a I take this one, a into r power p minus 1, its power q minus r, b a into r power q minus 1, its power r minus p, into, instead of c I take a into r power r minus 1, its power p minus q, that is equal to, I can write a power q, a power minus r, that is 1 by a power r, r power pq by r power pr, r power pq minus r power pr into r power minus 1 into q, r power minus q, that is in the denominator, r power q minus into minus plus 1 into r power r, it is in the numerator, r power r. Similarly, here a power r by a power p, r power qr by r power pq, r power in the denominator, r power r, numerator r power p into a power p by a power q, r power rp by r power rq into r power q by r power p, r power p cancel, a power r cancel, a power q cancel, r power r cancel, r power pq, r power pr, r power rp, r power qr, r power rq, all terms are cancel, r power q, r power p, a power p, cancel, all the terms are cancelled, that is equal to 1, that is our right hand side, Next problem, show that the products of the corresponding terms of the sequences ar square up to a power a into r power n minus 1 and capital A comma capital AR comma AR square up to a power r minus a into r power n minus 1 form a geometric progression. Find the common ratio. Here given geometric progressions are first one AR square AR cube up to comma a into r power n minus 1 and ಇನ್ನೊಂದು capital A AR capital R square AR cube up to AR power n minus 1. The product of corresponding terms of given geometric progression are given by A into A first terms A R, that is the product of second terms. A R square, that is the product of third terms. Like that, A R power n minus 1, capital R power n minus 1. Clearly, this is in geometric progression. Here, second term by first term, A cancel, RR. Third term by second term, A cancel, R square by R, small r square by R, capital R square by capital R. So, clearly this is in GP with the first term equal to A and common ratio R, common ratio RR. Therefore, suppose two geometric progressions are given, then the product of corresponding terms are also form geometric progression. But suppose we add all the terms of the GP, then the resulting sequence is not in GP, but product of the corresponding terms of the given GPs also form geometric progression. Its common ratio is the product of the common ratios of given geometric progressions. Next problem. If A, B, C are in geometric progressions and A power 1 by x equal to B power 1 by y equal to C power 1 by z, prove that x, y, z are in arithmetic progression. If A, B, C are in geometric progression and A power 1 by x equal to B power 1 by y equal to C power 1 by z, prove that x, y, z are in arithmetic progression. This is problem in our miscellaneous exercise. Here given A, B, C are in geometric progression. Given A, B, C are in geometric progression and A power 1 by x equal to B power 1 by y equal to C power 1 by z. C power 1 by z. I call A power 1 by x equal to B power 1 by y equal to C power 1 by z equal to some k. I say it is equal to some k. Then see here it implies A power 1 by x equal to k, therefore A equal to k power x. Similarly, B power 1 by y equal to k, therefore B equal to k power y and C equal to k power z. Since A, B, C are in geometric progression, therefore B by A equal to C by B. Second term by first one equal to third term by second one, common ratio. It implies B square equal to AC, cross multiplication B square equal to AC. It implies here B is k power y, substitute k power y square equal to A k power x into c k power z, that is equal to k power 2y, x power m, its power n, that is equal to x power mn, equal to k power x plus z, x power m into x power n, x power m plus n. I use that formula. It implies k power 2y equal to k power x plus z. Therefore, 2y equal to x plus z. We may write it as y minus x equal to z minus y. 2y, 1y here, y minus x equal to z, take another y this side, z minus y. It implies x comma y comma z are in arithmetic progression, because second term minus first term equal to third term minus second one. Therefore, x, y, z are in arithmetic progression. Next problem. A geometric progression consists of an even number of terms. If the sum of all the terms is 5 times sum of the terms occupying odd places, then find its common ratio. Here, the given geometric progression consists even number of terms, therefore I consider it as consists of 2n terms. I take first terms of the geometric progression as a and common ratio is r. Let a be the first term, and r be the common ratio, of the given geometric progression, which consists of 2n terms. Given that the given geometric progression consists even number of times, I take it as 2n terms. Given sum of all the terms is 5 times sum of terms occupying odd places. Here first term as a, common ratio r, therefore GP, that is here, that is ar square, ar cube, like that. Last term a power 2n. Sum of all the terms of GP is given by a into 1 minus r power 2n divided by 1 minus r equal to 5 times the sum of term occupying odd places. Odd places, first term, third term, fifth term. These terms are at the odd places. Here first term a, common ratio ar square by r square, ar power 4 by ar square, therefore common ratio r square, that is equal to 5 into a 1 minus common ratio r square, so therefore r square power n. Here total number of terms 2n. In the odd places there is only n terms, therefore 1 minus r square power n divided by 1 minus r square. That implies A cancel. 1 minus r power 2n divided by 1 minus r equal to 5 into 1 minus r square power n, that is r power 2n divided by 1 minus r square. These two cancel. I take this one to the left hand side. It implies 1 minus r square by 1 minus r equal to 5. 1 minus r square, it is in the form 1 square minus r square, a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. So 1 minus r square, 1 minus r into 1 plus r, 1 minus r cancel, 1 plus r equal to 5. It implies r equal to 4. Therefore, common ratio of the given geometric progression here 4. Next problem. The first term of geometric progression is 1 and the sum of the third term and fifth term is 90. Find the common ratio. Here I take first term as a and common ratio as r. Let a be the first term, and r be the common ratio of geometric progression. Given first term a equal to 1 and sum of the third term and fifth term is 90. Suppose a is the first term and r be the common ratio, then the geometric progression is written as ar square, ar cube, ar power 4, ar power 5, like that. Here third term is ar square, fifth term is ar power 4. Here given that sum of these two terms is 90. Therefore, and ar square plus ar power 4 equal to 90. Here a equal to 1, it is given. So it becomes r square plus r power 4 equal to 90. I write it as r power 4 as r square whole square plus r square minus 90 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation in r square. We can solve. I write it as, that implies r square whole square plus 10r square minus 9r square minus 90 equal to 0. In these two, r square common, r square plus 10. In these two, minus 9 is common, r square plus 10 equal to 0. In these two, r square plus 10 is common into r square minus 9 equal to 0. It implies r square equal to minus 10 or r square equal to 9. Here, r square equal to minus 10, it is impossible. Square of a number is not negative. R square equal to 9 implies r equal to plus or minus 3. Therefore, required common ratio r equal to plus or minus 3. 23rd one, a person has 2 parents, 4 grandparents and 8 great grandparents and so on. Find the number of his ancestors during the 10 generations preceding his own. Here person has 2 parents in the first generations, number of ancestors 2, 4 grandparents in the second generation, number of ancestors is 4. Like that. Here we want sum of all the ancestors of the person in the last 10 generations. Here this is in GP. Here A equal to 2 and common ratio R equal to 2. 2, 4, 8. 4 by 2, 2. 8 by 4, 2. Common ratio is 2. N equal to 10. Sn equal to formula A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 for R greater than 1. Here R equal to 2. Therefore, S10 number of ancestors in 10 generations. Sum of all ancestors in last 10 generations is given by S10 equal to 2 into 2 power 10 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. That is equal to 2 into 1024 minus 1 by 1. That is equal to 1023 into 2. That is 2046. Therefore, number of ancestors here 2046. Therefore, number of ancestors here 2046. Next problem. If f is a function satisfying f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y for all the natural number x comma y such that f of 1 equal to 3 and summation running from x equal to 1 to n f of x equal to 120. Find the value of n. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮು ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ಲೇನಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಗಿವನ್ f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y. Therefore, I take the function f of x as a power x. Therefore, take f of x equal to a power x, exponential function. ಯಾಕೆ a power x plus y equal to a power x into a power y ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ f of 1 equal to 3, therefore f of 1 equal to a power 1, that is equal to 3. It implies a equal to 3. Therefore given function, function f of x equal to 3 power x. Also given summation x running from 1 to n f of x equal to 120. This implies summation x equal to 1 to n f of x here 3 power x, that is equal to 120. This implies I take x equal to 1, then 3 power 1 3 plus 3 square I take x equal to 2, 3 cube I take x equal to 3 up to 3 power n equal to 120. This series in GP, this is in GP with first term 3, common ratio is also 3. Therefore, it implies a into 3 into r power n, 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, that is equal to 120. It implies 3 power n minus 1 equal to 80. 3 minus 1, 2. 120 into 2, 240 divided by 3, that is 80. It implies 3 power n equal to 81. 81 can be written as 3 power 4. It implies n equal to 4. Therefore, value of n is 4. Next one. Let S be the sum, P be the product, R be the sum of reciprocals of n terms of GP. Prove that P square into R power n equal to S power n. I take first term of the geometric progression as A and the common ratio is R. Let A be the first term. Let A be the first term and R be the common ratio. R be the common ratio of GP. Given sum of first n terms as S. Therefore, S equal to A plus AR square up to A into R power n minus 1. That can be written as A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. Sum of first n terms of GP. Also, P equal to A into AR square up to A into R power n minus 1. Product of first n terms of geometric progression. Simplify this one, we get A power n, A into A n times. Then R square, next term R cube, R power n minus 1. We may write it as R power 1 plus R power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n minus 1. R into R square up to R power n minus 1 as R power 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n minus 1. That is equal to A power n into R power 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n minus 1 as n minus 1 into n by 2. Sum of first n natural number 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here sum of first n minus 1 natural number. Sum of first n minus 1 natural number, that is n minus 1 into n by 2. And capital R be the sum of reciprocals of n terms of GP. Therefore, that is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by AR plus 1 by AR square up to 1 by A into R power n minus 1. That is equal to, see here, this is also in geometric progression. Here first term 1 by A and common ratio 1 by AR by 1 by A, that is 1 by R. 1 by AR square by 1 by AR, that is also 1 by R. Therefore, this is in this series in geometric progression with the first term 1 by A and the common ratio 1 by R. Therefore, that is equal to 1 by A into 1 by R power n minus 1 divided by 1 by R minus 1. Here R is, here I take R is less than 1. So, clearly 1 by R is greater than 1. So, I use this formula. That is equal to I simplify, I take LCM, here denominator r power n, here denominator r, that is equal to 1 by a 1 by r power n into r equal to 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, that is equal to 1 by a into r power n minus 1 into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, that is the capital R, sum of the reciprocals of n terms of the geometric progression. Here we have to prove r p square into r power n equal to s power n. I take left hand side, LHS equal to p square into r power n, that is equal to p square, p here a power n into r power n minus 1 into n by 2, its square, that is a power 2n into r power n minus 1 into n into r power n, capital R is here, its power n, that is 1 by a power n r power n minus 1 into n 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r its power n, that is equal to a power 2n by a power n, that is a power n, r power n minus 1 into n, in the denominator also r power n minus 1 into n, these two are cancelled, that is equal to, that is into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r its power n, that is equal to s power n. Here s is a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, here a power n into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r whole to the power n is s power n. Therefore, that is our RHS. P square into r power n equal to s power n. Next one, show that the ratio of the sum of first n terms of GP to the sum of terms from n plus 1th to 2nth term is 1 by r power n. I take a be the first term of the geometric progression and r be the common ratio. Let a be the first term, and r be the common ratio. Therefore, geometric progression ar square, ar cube, like that, ar power n minus 1, it is the nth term, then ar power n up to here 2nth term, therefore a into r power 2n minus 1. This is the geometric progression. Given the ratio of sum of first n terms of GP, that is Sn, sum of first n terms of GP equal to sum of terms from n plus 1th term to 2nth term, that is S2n, sum of first 2n terms minus sum of n terms minus Sn, that gives the sum of terms from n plus 1th term to nth term. We have to prove this ratio is 1 by r power n. I write it as a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, sum of first n terms of GP, divided by sum of first two n terms of GP, that is a into 1 minus r power 2n divided by 1 minus r minus sum of first n terms a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, that is equal to, here in the denominator a common, cancel with the numerator a. Also 1 minus r common denominator, 1 minus r cancel. So we can write it as 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r power 2n minus 1 by r power n, that is equal to 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r power 2n, that is in the form 1 square minus r power n its square. So it is in the form a square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b. Therefore 1 minus r power 2n can be written as 1 minus r power n into 1 plus r power n minus 1 minus r power n, that is equal to 1 minus r power n divided by, in these two 1 minus r power n common, in the first term 1 plus r power n remaining minus in the second term 1. These two are cancelled, that is equal to 1 plus 1 and minus 1 cancel, that is 1 by r power n. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರೋದು, that ratio is 1 by r power n. Here we get the answer. Next, harmonic progression. A sequence a1 a2 a3 dot 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 is said to be harmonic progression if the sequence 1 by a1, 1 by a2, 1 by a3 is in arithmetic progression. ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ a1 a2 a3 ಅಪ್ ಟು an ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮಿನ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ 1 by a1, 1 by a2, 1 by a3 ಡಾಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ 1 by an ಇದು ಅರಿಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 it is in arithmetic progression. Therefore 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9 etc. is in harmonic progression. 1, 2, 3 are in arithmetic progression, then 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 are in harmonic progression.